Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Project Michael or
Michael
something it's
Zombies.
called. Oh,
Yeah, Michael Zombies. It's like Call of Duty Zombies, but on Roblox. And I said, let's give it a try. Because I
after
actually
all,
played this in the
as I
past.
promised you,
I'm back though. I'm
yeah,
back. I did a
Chicken
big comeback.
Chicken Junior is back.
Yeah, it took me some time, but I did it. Yo, come here and buy this door. Unlock it. Okay?
Okay.
Man, please.
We bought it after the second round.
Okay. Use your knife, use your knife, it's better. Okay, they're stuck. Shoot them. Shoot them. Oh, here's a guy. Oh, and guys, don't forget if you like our content, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll make some content warning videos. I'll even make some the forest videos, and yeah, just show some support if you want to. Okay, now I'm going to buy this door, and we have one door left to buy. Then we can start the
I need 20
power.
coins.
Oh wait, you can buy it. You can buy it.
Bro, I want to buy
Buy
myself.
it. Okay, nice, 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 nice,
I
nice,
want to
nice.
buy myself some
Now
weapon.
come here, come here, come here. I'll hope in the English again. Okay, okay, it's English. Okay, that's very good. Now farm
I
as
don't
much
have
money as
ammo.
you.
I need more bullets.
Well, there's nothing you can do, kinda. Wait. Here are some zombies. A lot of them, actually. Oh, I killed a ton of them. But they're kinda invisible to my pistol. Okay, okay, I can buy another weapon.
Boing,
I'm buying it.
boing.
Yo, be careful, bro. Oh, I got an AK-47. Oh, let's go, dude. Oh, hell yeah, bro.
What?
How did you die?
I don't know.
Okay, that's interesting. I'm coming to help you.
You are being revived. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I love
Bro,
this
let me
weapon.
get some points as well. I don't have.
Okay. Sorry.
Oh!
Mm. Oh, I just got a mini heart attack. Kill him.
Okay.
You got enough. You got enough. Go. I'm gonna protect him. Where are you going? Here, bro.
Huh?
Come here. Come buy a weapon.
Oh,
Yo, go buy a weapon.
curse you, Michael.
Yeah. Actually, Michael, I think it's a cat in this game.
Forgot.
Yeah.
Beeping
Oh,
message.
damn. Okay, I got a bad weapon, but I'll use it. So now we're gonna make some money so we can unlock these doors. They're actually pretty useful because you can use the teleporters to unlock the upgrade to every weapon you have. So now I open one door. Okay, go to the center. Go to where we spawned on that teleporter. Okay, you remember?
Yeah.
Go there and there is gonna appear the F to hold F. When it appears, hold it.
You have 25
Okay.
seconds to
Now.
link with the mainframe.
Okay, nice. It is. See, now we look at the door here. Here's the door and it opened little. We have
Teleport
to open it
successful.
full. That's why there are a lot more teleporters. Very good. Okay, this weapon is wicked as hell. It's double points. Oh, kill as many as you can right now. Just profit. Yeah, kill them all. Oh yeah, I'm making a lot of money. Look how much money you got. You're rich, bro.
Okay, start up
Okay.
the teleporter again.
No, we can't. We need another one now. So you have to buy another door. One sec. I got a friend grenade. Okay, now the wolves are gonna come if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the wolves are now. They're fire wolves, so be careful.
Oh, hell no!
Okay,
I need a max ammo.
just try to survive. Or buy another weapon.
Nah, this one's way too good. Bow knife.
Oh, okay. We got max ammo.
Yes, sir!
Okay, Sam, I'm gonna go find the next teleporter, okay?
Yeah.
Go to the middle. Okay, I found it.
Wait a minute.
You there?
No. Okay,
Tell
I'm
me when
here,
you're
I'm
there.
here.
Okay,
You
okay.
have 25
Now,
seconds to link this mainframe.
Pack a
okay,
punch.
we did it. But now we need one more teleporter. The last one.
Successful.
Max ammo.
No, not yet, not yet. Don't. Oh,
It doesn't matter, it will despawn if I don't take it.
at least I should have wasted some bullets.
Nah, it's good like this. So guys, now we're gonna try to post a lot more because it's the summer vacation and we have a lot more time.
Time. Quick revive. Quick.
There's a chance we will post another video today, but we do not promise.
Yeah.
And we'll try to make our videos as interesting as possible. And tell us what games you like, what type of games you like, survival or action or different games like this. Even the name of the games.
If you like to comment, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, we have some survival games. We can play even Minecraft if you want to. Make a server, even invite you guys. Okay, there's the nuke.
Nuke.
Yeah.
Boom boom.
Yep. Boom. The
Who's screaming like that?
sounds. Yeah, the sounds in this game are are very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next teleporter. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
the last one. Okay, I
You
see it.
go.
I see it. I see it. You ready?
Yeah.
Three, two,
Blue.
one.
25
Yeah.
seconds
No, no, no,
to
no,
link
no.
this mainframe.
Blue.
Okay, we
Oh
unlocked
my god, I
pack a
don't have
punch.
enough.
Yeah, no, it's pretty expensive.
Blue.
Yo, leave me some kills. I need to.
Blue.
Oh, I found the double
Blue.
XP. Double points.
Double
Let's go.
points. Blue.
This is
Blue.
so
Blue.
good.
Bro, the Bowie knife is so OP.
Yeah, I know, but it's gonna become weak because the zombies are getting stronger each wave.
Man, get out of here.
Oh, I found
I'm Paka
such a
punching.
good weapon. I found a minigun. I have like a minigun, but it looks a little different.
Ooh. I pack a punched my
Look at my
Thompson.
minigun.
Look at this, man.
Look at
It's
my minigun, bro. Look at this beast. Oh,
doesn't.
your Thompson looks so good.
Okay, man.
Can I take it, bro? I want it. I need to make some kills. I need some zombies, bro.
Sin City, Missouri.
No, bro, cause I'm destroying these guys. Okay, we have insta kill. Use your knife. Use your knife. It's so OP right now. The knife. You don't even imagine this.
Even without insta kill, I killed them with one shot with my knife.
Nice. Yeah, the bow knife is pretty OP. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna go buy another weapon, and if I like it, I'm gonna upgrade it. I want the flamethrower so much right now. Oh, I got the ray gun!
Dang!
Ain't no way. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade my ray gun. Then I'm gonna
Okay,
I'm
I'm
going to
waiting
use my.
for the Joker
I think
card.
it's gonna be the Joker card. Yeah, yeah, there
Yep.
it is. The Michael.
Yeah. Shut you. What you laughing about?
He ain't no monkey. He's a cat, bro. A demonic one, but he's a cat.
What? Oh,
Bro,
insta
I'm
kill.
destroying these zombies so easily, bro. I don't even need to put some effort on it. Like it's
What?
too easy, dude. If you hear me, guys, sneezing and stuff like that, I don't know what's up with me. I think I have some allergies from some plants.
Yeah,
Mine is so worse.
yeah.
Okay, I'm upgrading my ray gun. Now I have the ray gun.
What's it called now?
It's called Kyle's X2 ray gun.
Dang.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna go buy find the chest and buy another weapon because.
Wait, talk a bit louder. Wait,
Okay. Now it's better.
a little.
Now.
Yeah, better.
Okay.
We should find the
Chest. Yeah,
mystery
I'm trying.
box.
I'm trying, bro. I can't really find it though. That's the
Don't
sad.
breathe into it, bro. Don't breathe into it. Into the microphone.
Whoops. My bad.
I'm hearing some music.
I'm gonna try to play some Roblox horror games. They may not be the most horror games, but I'll try to find some good ones. So the chest is not where I am right now, so I have to find it somewhere else.
How are
So
they
it's
so
mine.
tanky?
I don't know, bro. I really don't know. You know, at
Yet
some
they
wave,
still get one shot.
the ray gun, at some wave, the ray gun won't one-shot them. Even the ray gun will kill them.
My
They'll-
Bowie knife is still one-shotting them.
Just wait a few more waves.
Double tap. What does double tap do?
I don't know. Oh, I think wait, I actually don't remember at all.
Bouncing Betty? Yeah, I'll buy it. I'll buy it.
Okay.
What is it doing? Bouncing Betty. What?
You guys, if you can leave as many comments as possible, we would love to read them, and we really appreciate them.
What? Oh,
What was
I
that, bro?
see. Oh, I double tapped them. Oh,
Nice.
I didn't.
Nice. Where is the chest at, bro? Can't find it. Like for real now, bro.
Face me cold. Bro,
Where
these
is the?
dogs again.
Oh, these dogs again. Hell nah, bro.
Haha.
Oh, I just got jump scared by one somehow. He just appeared out of nowhere. Okay, another one, and
Goofy dog.
yeah, bro. but they're annoying. Very annoying. Where is the chest?
I'm still one-shotting them.
Did the chest just disappear or something?
I'll pack a punch my pistol.
You know, it's actually very OP. But it's only the basic pistol. It's like a ray gun. Oh no! Oh yes, it's like a ray gun.
Ain't no way.
Yeah, I'm being for real, bro. It's very OP, dude.
Goofy.
Bro, where is the chest? I can't even talk anymore.
Mystery apples.
Tell me, where is the box?
Oh, I found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Finally, dude. Where you at?
I'm a teleporter. Whoa. Oh my god,
Good
bro.
job, bro. Good job.
Hell nah, man. What a...
Oh, it's here. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna buy it real quick.
Thompson. Oh,
It's actually not that bad. I'm gonna take it.
dang.
You
How
know,
many...
I'm gonna open another one.
The whole zombie gang is pulling up.
I need the flamethrower. Oh, not this one. The M4A4 is good. Reminds me of CS. Oh, very nice job. When you use the pistol in close range, it's gonna deal some damage to you as well.
I
Just
know.
right.
A nuke? Is this? Oh, insta
No,
kill.
it's insta kill. That's good.
We should buy. Did you buy quick revive?
No, I didn't, but I will. Bro, again? For real? I'm gonna let you die, bro. I swear. Don't shoot with your pistol from close range. You'll
Oh.
die.
Yeah.
Okay, the same weapon again. I think I'm gonna get the cat. I don't know why, but I really think
Kitty cat.
lost box and please something good. Okay, I got the cat.
Yeah.
Let's go
Goofy
find
Olaf.
chest again.
Goofy Olaf. For real.
Go find the chest in that direction. I'm gonna go the opposite way. Okay, why are here so many of them? Okay, I'm pulling out my ray gun.
Pulling out the big guns.
Yeah. I've got 30 ammo reloaded in my ray gun at the moment.
Trrr, trrr.
Y'all guys die. I found it, I found it. It's here.
Where?
Here, look at me. You come back, come back, come back. On that little bridge. Yeah, here, down here, down here. Yeah. Okay, M1 Garand, second worst weapon of the game.
Oh, let me.
You buy it once and then I'm just gonna buy it again.
Is that shit? Is this good?
Yeah, it's like a minigun. I had it. The upgraded version is so good, you can't believe it.
Trrr, trrr.
Trench shotgun. Oh, this is a good one, believe me. I love it actually.
Hey man.
Okay, my bad, bro. Okay. I deserved it. Actually,
Elsa.
I would have paused this video a longer time ago, but my PC wasn't working.
Get where? Another German.
My time, man. My turn.
No, you pulled twice.
Yeah, he is. No, I don't care. Okay, don't shoot me, bro. Okay, bro. Oh, hello, zombie. Why ain't you dying? Okay.
Kitty cat.
No, it's not a cat.
Ew.
It's something even worse than the cat. From behind.
Doogie. How many are here?
Nice job, bro. One sec, bro. Oh, Magnum. Let's go. Bro, die. Die.
I'm about to die, man.
No, you ain't about to die. Just, oh, make sure nobody's coming here. Bro! You're alive, dude! Bro, again. Hell nah. Oh, I hate you so much. You can't believe it, bro.
LSAT is reload time is way too
You
much.
don't know how much I hate you right now.
Oh,
I got the RPG. Actually, RPG ain't that good in this game because it took a lot of damage from it yourself.
LSAT. Damn.
So I'm gonna roll with the RPG just because it kills me as well. The upgraded version is OP, but again, it kills you as well.
Damn, that new.
Okay, I got something even worse. Look at these, bro. Okay, I missed. I missed again. Help! Help! Thanks. I think now I'm gonna get the cat, fortunately.
Fortunately.
Yeah, no, I said unfortunately. Use the knife, use the knife, use the knife. Bro, use the knife!
I had to reload.
You can use the knife! Well, it doesn't matter if you reload. So, I got the cat, so we have to find it again. Just,
Get out of the way.
oh, I just killed myself instantly. I used the rocket launcher at like 2 millimeters from me. Help.
Good idea, man. Double points. Get out of the way. Did you buy the Bowie knife?
No, I didn't.
Oh my god.
I don't really want to though. Not gonna
It's
lie.
way too OP.
Nah, it ain't that OP, bro. I'm telling you.
I'm still one-shotting them.
I don't care, bro. It won't be for long. So, don't be so happy right now. Okay,
It's
think I
good to
know
take
where-
advantage of the time.
it's good to have a teammate that revives you every 3 seconds.
Fetch me then.
No? What do you think about what I just said? Huh?
Hell no.
Okay, so you would have lost like 10 games by now. Interesting, yeah?
Shut up!
Cool, bro.
Where's the mystery box?
I don't know. Find it.
The whole dog
I think I
gang.
found it. I think I found it. Or? No, I didn't. I didn't.
The whole dog gang is pulling up.
Ah, okay, bro.
Huh? Okay, man. Okay, I'm now one-shotting them out. Two-shotting them out.
I
now.
think, guys, it's enough for this video. So I think we're gonna make a part 2. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.